Hello everyone. Today I finished my software to make the error calculation automatic. So I finished that yesterday, or not yesterday, but today at 5 a.m. So it was quite intense. But now it's finished. Let me show you how it works. So basically, you use a template like that, where on the right you have the reference, and on the left you have the reference, and on the right you have your observation drawing. So it starts like that, and then you do your drawing. Then you can just export it to PNG, and then here what you have to do is simply execute the first cell of the code, then select your image. So this is my image. Okay, select it, and I start the program. It should take around 10 seconds or something like that. It's quite an intensive process. And then at the end I get my top 5 error metric, and also I have a new metric which is the mean error, where I calculate for each pixel. I take the mean of the error of each pixel. And I think the top 5 error is a really interesting metrics. I will continue to work with that one first. So here it look like that. So the white line is the actual line, the reference line, and the black one is the one that I've done, that you can see on top of it. So a few things to know about this program. I will let you use it once I'm done with creating all the servers and stuff so that you can upload your observation on it. So how it works? It only takes PNG files. I didn't test any other kind of files. I think it could take some JPEG or stuff like that, but I know that PNG works. They need to have the exact format of observation sheet template.psd, so which is this one. I need that because this rectangle here is exactly 500 pixel on 500 pixel on this one too, so I can compare the two. And also there is a 10 pixel padding between the two, and I need that in my code. So I really need to have exactly this image, which is 1010 pixel wide by 500 pixel of height. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is I need 100% black line on a white background. It could work with a gray line, or yeah, I think it could work, but I'm sure the black line works. Oops. Okay. So yeah, 100% black line on white background. And some recommendation: use a 2-pixel brush without anti-aliasing. So the anti-aliasing make your pixelated brush like that look smooth, but just use the pixel brush, like the MS Paint brush. I think it works with a smooth edge brush, but I didn't test it, so I'm not sure how much the error will change. If you want to really be on the same measurement as me, you should use the exact same brush, which is 2-pixel pixel brush. Next thing, you have to make sure you don't have any dot or random pixel flying around, or it will ruin your score. By that I mean that if you have this observation here, but you missed some line, I don't know, maybe somewhere you've put a dot like that, or just maybe you made some mistake, or you erased something and it's still here. Make sure that you remove all of these small mistakes, because it will be like your maximum error, and for 2 pixels here, so it will ruin your score. Anyway, I will remove it before I forget about it. Alright, and the last point, you can write the minute on the lower right corner. Here, this part of the image is not taken into account, and you could even make a longer image here. If you take the template, I think I could make the template longer and write more stuff if I need it, but it's not tested, so maybe don't do it. Anyway, at the end, the result look like that, and that's it. So now that I have this software, I will be super fast at testing my accuracy or my error, and I will be able to make more analysis. And also, I think I will try to invite some people to test this observation exercise with me, and I'll try to make a little analysis of how much people progress with that kind of exercise. But first I will test it on myself to see if there is anything good. I think it will be interesting, but for now I just test it on myself. Anyway, I keep you updated. You will have access to this software at some point, maybe in a few weeks, and see you later. Bye.